Now I am going to demonstrate ACL, access control list. So to demonstrate ACL access control list, I am going to take a router first. You can see in the screen I have taken a router. Now I am taking couple of switches. I'm taking 2960 switches. Here uh, two switches I have taken. So these two switches I will be connecting. Now I'm taking to PC. I've taken to PC here. Now I'm connecting them. Now I'm connecting them. And then I have to give IP addresses. To do so, let me connect this router 1 with PC 1 and start doing the configuration. Now when I'm configuring, what I'm doing, I'm going to desktop, going to terminal, click on OK. Then I'm starting the configuration. If you cannot see it, let me make it little big. No, not required. I think it is visible. First I will be typing enable, going to the privilege execution mode, then config T, then I'm going to the interface fast Ethernet 00, giving IP address 192.168.0. or 1.1 255.255.255.0, and then typing no shut. Then I am going to interface fast Ethernet 01. Then I am giving IP address 3.1 and then typing no shut. Now I am going and giving IP address to the PCs. Now this is the gateway is 192.168.1.1. No DNS. Now you can actually check it out that both can ping each other. It is successful. Now I'm disconnecting this cable. Now both are successful. Now I'm going to implement this. Access control lists are of two type. Here in this case you can see these are my, this is my router. This particular router is actually acting as a gateway for PC1 and gateway for PC2. So if 1.10 is pinging, how it is doing? First it will go to the gateway, then it is going to the, this is in, then this is going, the packet is going out for from 3.1. So when I'm creating standard access list, I need to give a number in between 1 to 99. For example, if I'm giving access control list number 1, and if I want to block this 1.10 to get access from 3.10, so either I have to give it in inbound port or in outbound port. It is always better. In case of standard access list, we should actually configure this in outbound port. That means in this port, fast Ethernet 01. This is fast Ethernet 01 and this is fast Ethernet 0 0. Going back to my topology here, now I can see that if I ping in between this, or if I type trace route 192.168.3.10, you can see this two hops are there in between. Now if I'm pinging, it is again successful. If I am pinging them, it is again successful. But I want to implement a access control list so that this ping and trace route should not be successful. So what I have to do, I have to go to global configuration mode. Then if I type access list, it is giving me standard access list 1 to 99 and extended access list 100 to 199. So access list 1, then it is saying whether you want to deny, permit, or remark. Remark I will talk later, because remark is by which I can actually see that what I have done. Now here in this case I am going to deny. If I am denying, I am denying a particular host, and it is asking for host address, that is 192.168.1.10. I am denying this particular host. For what? It is not required, because this is standard access list. So here in this case I am denying 192.168.1.10, this particular PC. Okay, so where I have to implement, that is in fast Ethernet 01, because that is an outbound port. So I am going into the interface fast Ethernet 01, then I am typing access IP access group. That is a command by which you can actually implement. So IP access group, it is asking for which one I have to block. IP access group 1, then whether it is outbound packet. Yes, it is outbound packet. Now if I type show access lists, it will show deny. Okay, but by default everyone will be denied, so it is better that if I actually permit any, so that others can actually get access. I will show you what do I mean by others. For example, if I am having another PC3 connected to this particular switch, so what IP address I will be giving? 192.168.1.2, 192.168.1.1. Now if I ping in between this two, it won't be successful. Why it is failed? Let me check. If I am pinging, destination host unreachable, and if I am doing a trace route, it cannot go beyond 1.1 because the outbound port they have blocked. Now if you go and ping this particular PC to this particular PC, it is successful. And if you are pinging here, in this case the ping will be successful, because if you actually do a trace route, you can see this is inbound port 1.1, that outbound port 3.10 is here reachable in this case, but here in this case it is not reachable. So that's what my access control list all about.